Hi, this is Robert Alexander with Prospect Converter. Today I would like to give you a brief overview of Prospect Converter as a CRM and how it might help you with your real estate business and how it might help you keep more organized as well as increase your sales and close more deals. Let's log in. Here's the dashboard, and this is basically kind of the heart of the system. At the top you got your dashboard, contacts, all your listings in one place, business accounts, those would be your mortgage brokers, lawyers, etc., calendar, mailing center, reports. In one view you can tell what's happened. So new leads, if a new lead comes in here, it'll pop up and turn red and it'll show you how many leads you got. We import leads from over 175 different vendors. These are contacts that are due for updates, your closings, today's to-dos, and mailings that are supposed to go out. As you go down, if this is given to you or you're paying it through a company or a brokerage, these will be the company leads. You can still separate out your personal leads, so if there ever is a difference in ways, you can always take your own personal leads. These are the to-dos, again, overdue, but I have 20 to do today and tomorrow, which is pretty easy to do. If you send email through the system, you can see if they're viewed. These are emails that have been imported from my Google account. We basically have a way to import and export and look at this email, so they come in automatically and are inputted into the interactions and to-dos. Mailings to be sent out, yes, we do drip campaigns as well as campaign blasts. And then this right here is what should keep you motivated every day. So I have 680 contacts, I have 14, these are 14 possible deals. I have no listings because I'm not a real estate agent, but I have 2 in there that are fictional. That's the dashboard. Go to contacts. Here are all your contacts. We have an import program that's very, very easy to use. If you need assistance, I can help you do that. Here's a person that's clearly made up. Aaron Aardvark has a wife named Anna, and they're requesting 5 listings. Please call next week. All your listings in one place. This is a lead, a fictitious lead that came in, and if you look at it, you basically have listing info, and again, this is what keeps me motivated when you look at that total commission. I'm not sure the percentages. Again, I am not a real estate agent, but I used 12 different CRMs in a past career and even tried to create my own. My motivation was this number right here. All your to-dos, you're showing feedback, offers as they get changed. So for example, you can see your price history right on the top screen. Documents required for the close, pictures, add copy, and then here's the complete listing. So 222 Main Street, MLS number, the link, etc. All your notes, co-owners, any referrals or fees that are due, all your open tasks and to-dos, what you've actually done. Again, purpose of CRM is what'd you do, what'd you say, what do you need to do next. All your offers and when they were put in, documents, pictures, and advertising copy. Going back up to the top, as I mentioned earlier, business accounts. Put in the folks you deal business with most often. So for example, loans, attorneys, your title insurance, inspection, etc. A whole host of business accounts. Calendar, mailing center. Mailing center, yes, we do drip campaigns as well as blasts. And then reports. As a salesperson, what motivates me at the end of the month is what I've done. What have I sold, and how much do I make, and how much do I get paid. That's all done in one place. Going back to the dashboard, here it is. Again, the purpose of the system is to help you become more organized, which means you'll sell more, close more deals, and make more money at the end of the day. If you have any questions, please call me at 612-333-2220. That number again is 612-333-2220. My name again is Robert Alexander. Our CRM is Prospect Converter. Hope you have a great day. Bye for now.